Hey, this is Drew here at Full Wheel Parts, Redondo Beach Store, working with the Full Wheel Drive Jeep giveaway program. We got today the Bestop carbon fiber dash dress-up kit. You know, your Jeep's not all about go, it can be about show too. So take a walk with me and we'll show you exactly how it's installed.
Prepare door handles. By using the primer wipe to clean the area on each door handle that corresponds to the adhesive on the door bezel overlays. Use a new primer wipe to clean each door handle. Peel off the backing tape of one of the door bezel overlays. Place the overlay in position and press firmly into place. Repeat with the other door bezel overlays. Locate the adhesive areas on the back of the center stack overlay. Use the primer wipe provided to wipe the corresponding areas on the center stack. Remove the backing tape off the center stack overlay. Position the center stack overlay in the vehicle. Once you are satisfied with the position of the overlay, apply firm pressure to the adhesive areas. The adhesive requires 24 hours to fully set and bond to the vehicle.